Cause the boys in the hood knowing nothing in life. Rest in peace, Eric Wright. Let's get it. 4th hour lunch with Clue, Terrence, Will, Pierre, and Mike. Stu and Bullock back when me and Gopher had to share a slice. Used to have fear of flight, scrubbing my toothbrush on a pair of Nikes. To strap with my shank for niggas scared to fight, who love to carry knives. They always warned me what came with the murder game, and rest assured me that it carried life. For that Columbus run, I had been through Gary twice. 20 Joe Montanas touching down on my Jerry Rice. 80 in my secret garden, I tucked the berry white. Look like a tomato in my cup, mixed with cherry Sprite. Something like Fredo in the cut, that's a scary sight. Had that man afraid to look up, these niggas scared of heights. Lord, if I go to hell, can I still wear my ice? And if I did, just let me take my strig and a pair of dice. Told my mama don't pray for me, pray for these parasites. We pray for pears, now we on the terrace out in paradise. Where we at?